afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, Professor Ralph, and good afternoon, Professor Palmas from Kazakhstan University, and also for the guests and VIP. I appreciate to joining this conference. That is, even this is Apenino, the first conference in Bangkok. I believe that for the next will be make it the best thing, even not in Bangkok, maybe in another country. So, in my opinion, within 2 days, this conference is very, very wonderful and fabulous, very, very exciting, and much knowledge can be taken from the speakers. There's various speakers from the airnav and also from specialists for airport, also for the yesterday emission, right? For the emission is SAF, so sustainability aircraft fuel. So very, very interesting, very, very fabulous. Will be next of the seminar. I think to be continued. Not only this seminar, this is the first seminar. I apologize if the first seminar of Apindo in Bangkok, and especially in the peninsula, and people in Bangkok is not appreciated, and we accepted in Indonesia, from Indonesia.